Please shut up. Will you shut your fat fucking mouth for 1 second, please? Tommy, I don't have the time for that. I don't. Tommy, no. Do I want to golf with you and your sister? Are you trying to get me to fuck your sister? Tommy, I'll be honest. You know, that's nice for her, but that's real weird that you really are so obsessed with me fucking your sister. Yeah, come on in. Hey, look, Tommy, I'd love to talk about fucking your sister some other time, but I gotta go, okay? I got an interview. All right. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Bye. Okay. Mr. Humphreys.
Mr. Connors, it's an honor.
Call me Paul.
Oh, absolutely, sir. Yeah.
It's Paul.
All right, Paul. Well, I'm excited to be here.
Let's cut to the chase, okay? You, I don't know what it is. There's something about you. You look like a winner, okay? I can smell it on you as soon as you walked in. So I want winners on this team, okay? So I'm happy to have you here. I want you to have this job.
Wow. All right. That's really refreshing. I'm glad that we can start. Oh, sorry that we got away from me. Allergy season's been really, really crazy. Maybe these flowers might be getting to me. I don't know.
Hey, no worries. Do your thing, okay, man?
Yeah.
We're all just here to have a good time. So, I'm looking at your resume here. I think you'd be a great fit for this position. So, I want to know what makes you think that you would be a good fit here, huh?
Well, glad you asked that because I think that my unique background gives me a great skill set to be able to keep really, really cool under high stakes situations, a lot of pressure. Right. And I know that's something I'm going to be exposed to a lot at this job. And you know what? I'm ready to take it on.
Love it. I love it. Okay? Hey, and just so you know, between you and me, we're a cool consulting firm, if you know what I'm saying. So.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean. I've been known to party every once in a while. There's a funny story back in college.
Whoa there, buddy. You got a big one coming, huh?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, that one got away from me. Sorry, these flowers must be getting to me.
All right, yeah. Hey, don't let them bother you, okay?
Yeah.
We're here to do our thing. Now, tell me again, please, what you want from this job. And I mean, besides all the booger sugar that we have at the holiday parties.
Oh, other than that, I would say that oh my God! Yeah, these flowers really getting to me.
Yeah. Okay. I said they're fine where they are. Okay. So let's just forget about the fucking flowers. Okay. Sylvester, let's focus.
Yeah.
All right. Can you do it?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. No. As I was saying, I was. Oh, fuck these flowers!
Those flowers for my wife's funeral last week.
Oh.
Yeah. But you know what, man? Honestly, it's okay. I like you, okay? You're aggressive. We need more of that on this team, okay? I really want you for this job, and I am willing to forget all of that if we can work together, okay? I think me and you can really shine together here. Plus, you seem like you party as much as I do, and pretty soon you're gonna be a certified fucking baller like myself. What do you say?
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. I can't wait to get started. I think I'm really gonna.
Oh, yeah, man, it's just a little something to take the edge off, huh? You're welcome to join. The more the merrier, please. I mean, it's just.
Yeah, man. No, I don't. Not right now.
All right, man. Jeez, hey, come on. I thought you partied more than I do, huh? Come on, fine. You got the job, okay? Let's celebrate. Stop being a pussy and let's just get this over with. Let's celebrate, man. Don't be such a. Get the fuck out of my office.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
the fuck.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
the fuck
Yeah.
out of my office. Fucking. Cynthia, get in here and clean this shit up. Going to get a drink.